exciting this is. So today we are going to be making
gingerbread cookies.
Yay! And before we even said it, if you saw my apron, you would have known what we were baking.
Hey Lily,
yeah?
I'm going to put the 3 tablespoons of butter into the microwave so that we can melt it like it says.
Cool. Can I start pouring it in?
Absolutely.
Okay. So I'm going to pour in this gingerbread mix. And there are 2 recipes, a gingerbread cake or the cookies. But today we're going to be making the cookies. And make sure all of it.
We're just using Betty Crocker's
yeah, we love Betty Crocker.
Cake cookies.
I hope they sponsor us.
That'd be awesome.
I know. We could like bake every single video. That would be great. Alright.
Here's your 1/4 cup of water.
Alright, we gotta be very careful with this. I'm just gonna pull the bowl over because it already kind of spilled. Alright. Whoa.
Okay, and your butter's almost ready.
And I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like right now. Looks great. I just showed them what it looks like.
Great.
Whoa.
And the butter's coming right up, so hold on one second.
Well, I'm just gonna mix it a little bit. Okay. Yeah, the butter. Oh, while I'm waiting, I'm gonna show you my decoration. A ton, right? Well, we're gonna be making a ton of cookies, so. Oh, is that the butter?
Yeah, 4 seconds.
4 seconds. Alright. And if you're baking cookies, you should always have an adult to supervise you. Or any kind of baking.
Yeah, this is very hot, so I'm going to pour it in for you.
Okay. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Do you have any more ingredients?
No, that's it.
Oh. I thought there was going to be like eggs or something.
No.
Oh. Great job, Betty Crocker. Not needing any eggs in here. Alright. Comment down below if you like gingerbread cookies. And if you don't, then comment down below your favorite cookie. Or I should say your favorite holiday cookie. That's what it should be. Oh, it's looking so good, doesn't it, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Goodness. Look at that. It kind of looks like pretzels, actually. It smells great, too.
Mm-hmm.
And by the way, when you're preheating your oven, preheat it to 375.
And I'm getting parchment paper, the natural kind with no bleach, so that we can not have them stick.
And if they had bleach on them, we wouldn't be able to eat them.
Well, the white parchment is like not as organic.
Oh. Well, if you said there's bleach in it, then we wouldn't be able to eat it. My gosh, this is looking so good. And why are you supposed to use a whisk?
No whisk for this one.
So why?
Because we don't need to beat it. We just need to mix it together.
Oh.
You know
Is
what
it
I
because
mean?
it's too tough?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's why. Can you help me?
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of hard. That was harder to make than actual batter.
Mm-hmm. I think I'm gonna have to get some flour.
Yeah.
Because I think that's too thin.
It feels very heavy, though.
Yeah. Like I'm afraid it will. You know, cut into gingerbread man. I think we needed a little more. Can you do that?
And then when I'm done stirring this in, we're going to have to show all the fans, looks like, so that they can
Did that make it thicker?
Seems like it.
All right, let me, if you don't mind, let me
Okay.
finish this part. Sorry.
I'm falling.
Oh yeah, this is much better.
Well, I don't...
It's still not thick enough to do a cookie cutter. You think?
I mean, I think it's fine.
All right, let's just try one.
Just try one. I want to show them what it looks like.
You can see right there.
No, I want them to see this.
Okay.
Let me just... We can like move it in so you can see it or something. Move the pool, maybe.
I think it's too liquidy for some reason. Let's see.
Do we
It might-
add a little too much water?
Too much butter, I think.
Oh, well, that's what the recipe calls.
But then when I did the recipe here and I turned it over to here, it says only 2 tablespoons of butter.
Ah.
Why would that be on the side? I'm not sure.
I don't know. Maybe it's only for like gingerbread. Can I help?
I think that's it. And then here you go.
Oh, yes. I want to do the baby one. I want to
Okay.
show them the baby one and I want to do it.
Okay.
So we have this tiny little one. So cute. And I'm going to use it. Are you sure it's not too liquidy?
I don't know.
I mean, it
Guess we'll
feels
find out.
it feels too liquidy to me. Here, let me show them what it looks like. But I can't see. Okay, there we go. So I'm just gonna stick it right in the middle, push it down, and then kind of do that so that it's
Excellent. Perfect. Then pop
Perfect.
it right onto there.
with your thumb. So you gotta kind of push it in there. Yeah, this is gonna definitely fail. Yeah,
Well, maybe we should make them circle how they said then.
Oh yeah.
Oh, then you still got it. Here you go.
It's still kind of weird.
Okay. Well, do you want to pause your video now? And then we can show them the after when we're done.
What do you mean?
Because are we going to film the entire thing?
Well, is there a way I could add both videos together?
I don't know.
Well, I don't think we can.
Okay.
It can't be more than 30 minutes.
Yeah, this isn't working.
Yeah, just scrap that piece.
No, put it back in.
Oh. You just threw it on the floor.
I didn't mean to. Excuse me.
Feels great to touch.
Excuse me. Could you grab the piece for me?
Well, I have that piece. Okay. Sorry, guys. But this dough feels incredible. Yeah, just put like the whole bag in there. Is it working? Poor little gingerbread on its own. You know what would be cool? If we just poured like these kind of sprinkles inside of the batter. You don't think so? Sounds great. Okay, here's batter. Hopefully it's better now. Alright, now we can do what I was saying. Okay, so just kind of push it in there, and then pull it out, and then hopefully it'll actually work this time. Oh. It got too liquidy now. Oh, put my elbow in it. Put my elbow in the dough. I don't know what's happening with this dough. There's something wrong with it.
Too much butter.
But I can't restart.
No, we can't.
Just keep adding the flour, maybe?
I did. I added tons. You don't want it to taste gross.
Yeah.
I think I can make it work.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you are the best baker I know, so.
Oh, thank you.
Should work. And after we bake gingerbread cookies, we're going to make sugar cookies. But we'll do that in a different video, because the video is going to be too long. And we're going to make a part 2 of this video because it's going to be too long waiting for the oven. And so watch out for part 2 if it says the same kind of video. But if it says part 2, then that's the second half of the video. Because I don't know how to add 2 videos together. So. Is it working?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Once we get it started, we'll know how to do it better. I mean, it did work, but not really. Yeah, I think we put a little too much butter for a cutter, but sorry. I love this dough. I love it. So, it's been a little too long now, and we're gonna have to do the rest of the video for part 2. Sorry guys, bye hugs, bye kisses.